Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you things that have come in and out of the shop or in progress. Please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at some of the things that we've restored, and then bring something to us that we could restore for you. Today we have a shaker style rocker. Really cool discs on the arms. Has a simplistic couple of detail cuts. It's got the ladder back, a very pointed finial on the one long piece. Beautifully made in maple, and quite an interesting piece that's going to be reupholstered. I would say early 20th century. It has some rough sawn pieces underneath that we can show you here. Rough sawn underneath where it has been fitted, and then it has a webbing seat, and so we're going to be putting new padding and new upholstery, so watch for the after video. But we've been asking, having folks ask questions, well, what is shaker style? And it is basically on a very simple, very light colored wood, very early American type looking, and it is usually in maple or a soft pine. It can sometimes be in cherry. And so that's just a little clues of what is the shaker style, but you can see the simplicity. And we were talking about how cool it is to see the contrast between that and a swan sofa. So boy, you can see a contrast in the styles. Here we're talking about the shaker style rocker with a beautiful simple design, and then here we have Empire Swan sofa, and we're going to be talking about that one next. Thanks for watching.